Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge X40 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser app, so I have to click on it. Click on Opera Mini in order to apply it, and tap on the back button. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!